Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to open a PayPal business account. First thing you do, you pop into paypal.com website, which is here. So you just type paypal.com and their page will open. On the top right corner you have two buttons, two options, either login or sign up. Obviously if you're watching this video, I take it that you don't have an account. You don't have a business account at least, and you want to open a PayPal business account. But if you have a PayPal personal account and you want to convert that to business account, it is possible, and I have another video on that. If you go to my channel and search for converting personal PayPal account to business account, you can see that. I've explained that there, how to convert it. But here you open a PayPal business account from scratch. So you click on sign up. It gives you two options again, personal account or business account. So if you want a business account, then you choose the business account and press next. Sign up for business. Enter the email address you use to sign up or log in. So you put your email that you want to be associated with this PayPal business account. In my case, I'll just put my business email account and press continue. Now here, sign up for a business account. They want a password here. Now this password is going to be for your PayPal account. Don't get it mixed up with your website address, or if you have a website or business. This is nothing to do with that. This is to do with your PayPal account. So you put a password for it, and then you have two tick boxes here. One is receive news offers from PayPal, etc., which I'm not going to click, but the second one is I have read and agreed with, and consent and agree to PayPal user agreement and privacy statement, blah blah. So you really need to click that. If you don't, this is what happens. It just comes up red and it says you have to press this. So you click that. You have no other option really. So it comes up to tell us about your business. Then you your legal name and your surname. So you put them there. And business information, legal business name, and then you have a tick box here. It's already by default is ticked. Business phone number, you can choose the country. And then business address. Then you agree with the terms and conditions. Describe your business. Next is describe your business, which is basically your business type. Business types here: individual, sole owner, partnership, private company, public company, non-for-profit organization, governmental entity, trust, investment and families. Mine is individual, so I've just put individual there, and then it says it opens up other spaces and questions here that we have to fill. Product or services keywords, you just put whatever you're selling really. Then business URL, if applicable. Now you don't have to, even if you have it, you don't have to put that there. It makes no difference for your business. and it's just PayPal wants to know more and more. Some of these questions weren't there a few years ago. Now they've created more questions, so it's up to you. Some of these are mandatory, you have to answer them. And then it says country or origin of formation of incorporation. So again, that is the country you actually set up your business, because you could be moving around. And then you pick a country there, and then your PayPal credit and statement name. So this appears, basically whatever you put here appears on the buyers, whoever your clients are, your customers, on their bank accounts. It appear there, and you only have a few characters, and it only uses capitals here. So you put that there, and whatever you want. Then you move on to the next page. Like I said, these questions weren't there even I think a few months ago, but they've appeared. So they even want your date of birth, whereas before they didn't even care. So you can put your date of birth, and I'm not going to put a right date of birth here anyway, because it has nothing to do with PayPal. What is my date of birth? And then home address is same as business, and if it is, if it's not, then you have to type the home address. Let me see if it's mandatory. Let's just leave it. Phone number, again, same as business, and then submit. And that's it. You see, it asks for those things. So if you don't put the home address, you have to put the home address and the phone number, which I'm going to say is the same, and submit, and that should be it. Let me see. Yes, it opens your account and you're in. As simple as that. So that is your PayPal business account. How to use that? Then I have other videos to show you how to invoice, how to create recurring invoices, how to bill people automatically. There's quite a few videos on my channel that is about PayPal personal and business accounts, so you can have a look at those. Thank you very much. So if you enjoyed it, please share, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below. Thank you, and see you again with another video soon. Bye bye.